Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how to fix connected but not uh, no sound problem in both earbuds. How to fix, let's talk about this problem in this video. So let's start the video, friends. So here you can see this is the both earbuds. So I have connected it. You can see it is now right now connected. So if it is not making any sound and you are not able to listen any music, so firstly you have to check your earbuds if it is charged properly. If it is at 0% and you are making and you are thinking that it makes sound, there will be no chance. So first, charge properly. Click on this option and you can firstly disconnect it and again pair it, or you can do is reset your earbuds and then properly connect to your Bluetooth. It will be connected, or you can download the boat earbuds application for that, and you can check your equalizer and increase bass or any, you can make things up and down like bass or something. It will change your sound also. And if it is not making sound even after this, your earbuds might be broken from inside, or is there any problem inside it. So there will be no technical issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.